This is my first video again. I'm so sorry because I'm not videoing again. I will teach you how. Wait, I will find first. So this is my first drawing. This is the video basta. And his name is Shell. And this name is Yana. The next one is sorry her face is not pretty. And her name is Shy. And I don't know what name this is. And this is my next drawing here. Okay, I'll switch now. Draw a circle like this. Like that. And draw like this. Wait. Like this. Yan. And then, the second one is this one. It's like a head, but we're gonna fix it. Wait. We're gonna fix it. And this leg. And this is like when we draw this. And we're gonna erase this for the head. Yeah, for the head. Wait, I'm gonna erase it. This looks like when we erase it. The next one is the neck. Wait, I will draw it. This is the neck. And we're gonna draw next is the necklace. Wait, I will show it. Okay, this is the necklace I draw. First, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-draw ng necklace na ganito. First, igiganto nyo lang. Tapos, magdodraw kayo ng design. And, bukas naman ang tuturuan ko sa inyo kung paano mag-draw ng hair. So, bye! And bangs, I will teach you how to draw that. So, bye!